Hey, to change your username on the Ubisoft Connect app, first of all, you will have to click on the left upper corner on your profile name, then go into the account management, and from here you can change your username. If you enable the two-step verification, you will be actually have to open the account management on the web page. But if you didn't, you can actually click on this pencil icon and follow on-screen instructions and edit your username. So I have to open my browser, and that's the Ubisoft Connect website. You will have to log in into the website with the same data that you're actually using on this application. And after this, you will have to click on the right upper corner, and from here you will have to open the account management. Now just wait for the loading screen. Now in my case right now it is Polish, but it will actually looks basically the same. So we have to go for the account information. Just wait here, and when we take a look, we can find the name of our account and click here to edit. Now you can change it once every 30 days. So now we have to also remember to get at least from 3 to 15 letters, and you can use the number letters, but you cannot use other special characters. So just like this, and then you have to click change. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.